Now that you know how to use while loop, okay, now let's go see how does for loop work. Okay, so let's create a new file here, name it for.py, and here I am going to create a simple example that you could learn. Okay, a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, tuple, a dictionary, a set, or even a string. Okay, so very easy. Now let's go. We have seen a lot of example about for loop. Now let's go and see how we can use for loop to iterate to a string. Okay, let's use for x in, for example, we have banana, and here let's print x. Very easy. Let me use Python, and then we have for.py, hit enter. Now you see we are printing all and everything which is inside here, and that is banana. We are printing each letter here. Okay, this is one thing that we could use, and also it has a lot of usage. Okay, this for loop. For example, we are going to search for something inside a list or inside a dictionary, inside a tuple, anything, set, or something else. Okay, let's go with a simple search program. Okay, let's use again this fruits. It is equal to, for example, we have apple, we have banana, we have cherry. Okay, just imagine we have these three parts, okay, here, and I am trying to search for example, for a cherry. If this cherry is inside here, if it is inside, then we can print it. If not, so do not print it. Okay, so let's use for x in fruits, and here we can use if condition. If x is equal to, for example, banana. Okay, if it is equals to banana, then print x for me, and then use break statement. Very easy. Now we have a simple search engine that is searching banana inside the fruit. Okay, and I also can do something at text here, like the banana is here, and use concatenation. Save it, come here, use clear, and then run this. You see the banana is here, and it is printing the banana for me. What if I search for something else, for example, a phone or something? Okay, and now it will do nothing for me. You see that? Okay, also we can do one more thing, and that is the else part. Okay, else print for example, the banana is not in the list. Now if I executed this, you see that the banana is not in the list. And why it is printing this 3 times? That is because we have 3 items in the list. So for each item, it is printing that for me. And so what if okay, that is it. How we can use for loop to go through a list, string, anything. Okay, a dictionary, or even a tuple, a set, and a lot of things. Okay, it's very simple example that you learn how to create your own searching machine inside a list, or it could be a string, or even it could be a very big list of, for example, names or anything. Okay, so let's go and see some other thing.